morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another day. Happy Thursday. We've gotten through all of the inflation data for this week. We had CPI yesterday, PPI this morning. We had declines, I believe, on both. We had increases, though, month over month on core and headline PPI there. So the market's not really reacting. We saw an absolutely wild day yesterday, though. I know a lot of you guys were seeing this. And I want to give a shout out to Andrew, though, because I literally post the new day trading video. And then within an hour, he's like, oh, yeah, I identified this nasty setup and it ran to a 1 to 12. And I was like, that's what it's for, ladies and gentlemen. So again, you guys know the deal. Everybody gets 2 weeks free to the Discord community. But that deal, the launch deal, the promo that I'm giving you guys, that's ending soon. Then we're going to be going waitlist only for that community. So, but team, there are a lot of nasty setups potentially forming today and over the next couple of days and weeks in the broad market here. We're going to be going through some of them. I've got another interesting video for you guys coming out this evening as well. So if you guys don't have notifications turned on for the channel, make sure you guys do. But ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, I'd love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the stream, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot, spreading these streams out to some more people. We've had a pretty epic week. Let's see if we can have it continue. This month has been off to a very, very strong start here, even though the market's been very, very choppy. It's almost like we're back in that little kangaroo market from like, what was it, 2020, 2021? But let's see. Let's see who's in here. Let's go through some tickers, go through some charts, and get ready for the day. All right, let's see. We've got Rogue, Daily Taylor, Eddie, Michael, Alfie, Pod, Tommy, Starsky, Jackie, Daily Taylor again. Good morning, everybody. So, John, good morning. Cole, Wreck-It Ralph. Let's see. S.O. Is that the Southern? Yep, that doesn't look bad. Utilities looking interesting. KDP. Not bad there. Is this Dominion? Yeah, these utilities names are interesting. I'm probably going to leave utilities alone for a little bit just from after what we've did with NEE. With all of the other really good potential setups that we have out there, what's more likely to move more aggressively, quickly in our favor? It's probably going to be some of those other names. Good morning, 6-4. What's up, guys? How we doing? So, gold, remember how we were talking about this gold move here? We were expecting this to trend higher. I mean, it's not really giving us an entry, just kind of looking at the way gold is moving in relation to a lot of the data. It did break this high up in here in the pre-market, but ended up coming back down. Roblox starting to get going there, ladies and gentlemen. Lyft, yeah, Lyft is actually looking interesting now to me. So we could throw this on here. I didn't touch it yesterday. And I probably won't, just because, like, we kind of invalidated and then shot right back up. So I'm probably going to leave this one alone. But, yeah, you did cross that 1195 area that I was looking at there. And then Melly, yeah, Melly is one that we've been talking about a little bit on the streams here. So we've got an alert right around 2053 or 2054. And then another one right around 2065. So that's what I'm looking at here at Melly. Melly does look really interesting here. MDB is another one that looks pretty interesting. I burned this one yesterday. Didn't want to touch it as it was breaking above a couple of my levels just because, like, what am I watching today, Vix? Alfie, it's in the pre-market plan. So I write the pre-market plan for you guys. It's in it. Well, I wrote it. Palantir looks good. Yeah, I bet it does. I could take a look at it. But, yeah, MDB looks good. It's the same tickers that we've been covering. And I also responded to you last night, too, Alfie. It's the same tickers. All right, what else? Palantir looks good. Does it? No, I don't like this one yet. Not yet. This would need time in order for me to want to get this thing. Tessie is an interesting one to me right here. If we can get some consolidation on Tesla, I'd be very interested. Microsoft, again, kind of same deal, shifting trend here. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, this is it. We're going to go through them, but there's a lot of them. Melly's on there, Roblox is on there, Tesla's on there, Microsoft, NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I mean, again, some of these are not going to go right now, but, and some of them need some consolidation, but yeah, look, market's actually looking really interesting right now. I saw it on the Discord and set your alerts. Thank you, Luis. Awesome, buddy. Awesome. Yeah, Luis, too. If you have any questions, buddy, I know you're new. Make sure you go through the course curriculum there. If you have any questions, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. But let's see. So, and yeah, this is the second to last day of the public stream. So those of you guys that haven't taken advantage of the 2 weeks free to the Discord community, you're going to miss it. No more public streams for you. Where else are you going to go get your multi-100% options gains all the time? Let's see. We have our zones here marked out for ES. These are going to be interesting. You guys saw me scalp out of one of the zones yesterday. That was fun. Nothing crazy. Thank you. You're awesome. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I know. We were going back and forth for a while on Instagram, trying to make sure that the Discord community was going to be the good fit for you, and looks like it is so far. I mean, that's awesome, man. Let's see. But Nvidia, I like. Where's USD JPY today? I kind of want to long it. Like, I kind of want to long it. Like, I really want to do something like this. Will I? Probably not. But I do really want to do that. Just throw a couple grand in a Forex account and sling it full port. So you have to get WAP to get the Discord? Yes. You can't just, like, sign up to Discord. Because, like, it's not free. Yeah, Roblox is breaking. You have old lifts that had lots of time. They're coming back to life. There you go. All right. Yeah, and then Team. Team's another interesting one that I really like. Well, Team was interesting because yesterday I have a little bit of this. So if Team can, I think, what's his name? Svet was bringing this up in the Discord chat. I was like, I like this. Even though it's a little wiki, I do like this setup here. So I have some of this, but it started to move really well, like really well. And all of a sudden, if you throw this thing on the 15-minute, it just died yesterday. Like, just died coming down. And I was like, that's weird. Came up, finished up closer to the highs. I mean, if the market starts to have a decent day today, I mean, I would expect that thing to do relatively well. So we'll see what happens with this one. It actually looks more aggressive on the 5-minute if you do that. Like, just boom, dead. And I was like, that's weird because the market was still kind of holding on there. So we'll see what happens with that one. We also have the interest rate decision next week. I did tweet out something pretty interesting about the last time that the federal funds rate was this high, and then they pivoted or actually started to change, like going from a hiking to a cutting cycle, and what happened to the market over the next 2 years. It's not good. So we'll see. Is this time going to be different? It might be, because they basically have full discretion with the money printer. So they're going to, I don't think they would let the markets tank like that. I just don't think they would. What else do I have apart from Team? No. Do you also trade futures? Yeah, of course. Of course I do. It's just, again, less trades, more profits, Team. You don't trade every single day. That's crazy. I don't know why people like to do that. It just doesn't make sense. Like, a lot of people come into the market and they're so conditioned to, like, school, their job, and they're like, there's a certain amount of tasks that they have to do every single day in order to maintain their employment, do things like that. And trading's just not that. Like, I like to wait for the really, really high quality setups to form and then trade them from there. That's it. I mean, the day trading mastery course that you guys see, that thing prints. There's been a lot of setups on that thing this week, and they've hit. Like, there was one single TP. There was another double TP. I think there was another single or double at one point this week as well. They've been dirty. And then, yeah, the new videos that I gave you guys in there, too, for in the course section with the zones as well. That's going to help you guys out a whole lot. So, yeah, I obviously trade futures. It's just like, I do things a lot differently than all these other people out on the internet. And that's why you see all of my people, like my students, just having so much success. Because, like, we do things so differently in the way that you really should be doing them. Not this other nonsense where it's like, let's just throw a bunch of things out there and hope it works. Like, that's just not how, like, to have long-term success. Thoughts on Forex? No. Hold Wally's. I'm out of it, but where is it? Wally. There you go, Cole. Cole with the Wallies. Yeah, I mean, that was like a little base hit for me. That was fine. I mean, as soon as it started to fade a little bit yesterday, I cut the rest of it, but that was a really good trade there. This one I actually gave out for free on Instagram and Twitter. I'll still keep doing some of that. Like, you guys on Twitter have the Roblox. This could be a nasty one. We'll see. Do you miss Pico? Dude, I remember Pico. That dude was funny. He was right. Like, With this volatility, trading a lot per day in this market sure is total. Right. And also it's people will try to tell you this. You can't teach scalping. The car giveaway winner, stop it. You literally can't teach scalping. When I scalp SPX, when you guys see me do it, when I have those like 40-50% scalps or like it would literally be impossible for me to either like teach you how to do it or also alert when I'm doing it as well, because sometimes I'm not even fast enough to take it and manage the trade. Like, it's that you cannot. It's like people are just leading everybody else to the slaughter, and it's all again. Always focus on the swings first and day trades after. That is the most important thing that you guys all have to get through your heads, or keep losing money. It's like that's the truth at the end of the day. You miss El Bago. I think he came in one time. El Bago's a wild boy. If this market could just chill and consolidate here, that'd be great. It might. I mean, if we can get that, that's perfectly fine with me. Like Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, if those things set up, oh my god! The last time I gave you guys Tesla, what did it do? Thousands of percent. Ended yesterday up 75% on DraftKings. Great work, Josh. Excited to see how much it's up this morning. Oh yeah, what's it doing today? Yeah, you're gonna be a good spot there. Yeah, again, it was a little bit tight for me to want to do this, so I didn't take it, but yeah, that's a good one. For why, Cole, you can't stalk me. That's another rule. No stalking. Cole, you're not allowed to stalk. You're bringing up the Mexico ETFs, Ralph. All right, hold on. We got to take it slow with everybody. The MEXX, EWZ, I don't hate it, but then you have I'm not touching these, but EWZ, or that's EWX. What's EWX? Emerging markets small cap. I bet that thing moves like crazy. EWZ, no. Yin, how's this? Actually, the China names are actually looking interesting. China's not doing anything. Where's Baba? Baba actually, if Baba can just like chill out for a little bit, we could get another nasty trade like these that we've been having in here this year. So we'll see what happens. Turn into a Forex bro teaching us to trade USD JPY. I already gave you the nastiest USD JPY trade of the year. This one. Remember when we were looking at this? I was like, hey guys, if this was a stock, I'd long it with everything I have. And then it blasted off. It's so simple, guys. I cannot make it easier. Like, seriously, like, I literally cannot make it easier for everybody. It's so simple. You watch for stocks that are about to explode. Before they do, they all look really similar before they're going to rip. Boom, done. It's like, guys, if you trade NQ, do you mind doing zones for NQ as well? I don't trade NQ, but I can do them. I can do that. It's going to be basically the same areas, though, as ES, so like relatively the same. News today was more bear. I would say today's neutral so far, but remember, the market's probably going to fly around. So, what are they pricing in for? Yeah, so they're backing off on 125 bips, and they're really kind of solidifying this 100 bips by the end of the year for cuts. So that's interesting. That is interesting. Oh, team, you guys are crushing the like button today. Thank you, guys. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the stream. I'll also throw the link here to get the 2-week free trial to the Discord community. Again, remember, you guys get both the courses. You guys get the watch list of stocks, forex, and cryptos that are about to explode before they do, the pre-market plans. You're going to get the private live streams, the macro research reports. We're going to do the small account challenge. There is so much in there, guys, for you. Like, it's the one-stop shop for everything. You like NASDAQ to SPX? I like SPX better. I don't know. I just like it. Len came back to the 10. Is Yum C still a good play? Let's actually take a look at that. Yeah. We just kind of have this drawn out here for what we can see. It's going to be up here now. I do like it. I do still really like this thing. Charge point on the daily. And please say charge point with your funny voice. Charge point! Join, you won't be disappointed. Shout out to you, Pod. Nah, I don't like charge point. Let's see. I mean, I don't know if a lot of you guys follow me on Instagram, but I throw like the testimonials on there all the time. Like, there's a reason why so many people are having so much success, man. Was Bernanke the Fed chair? Yes. Then Bernanke. I think it was Bernanke, then Yellen, then Powell. Who's going to be the next one? And what are the... We're going to have a new Powell. Yeah, I don't like charge point here, though. Roblox looks interesting. Team, I'm interested to see what happens with that today. Are Harris for president play? Are they? Has she... See, this is the issue, though. Like, have they said any... For two things. Have they said anything about electric vehicles? Maybe, like, the EV mandate. But... And then you also have to then trust them enough to not change the position. So I don't know. Like, it's going to be... until we get really close to the election, I don't think we can really do anything on, like, those types of policies. Because, like, they could just flip something. They've done it a lot. It's like, I would not put my... This is my thing. I would not put my money and any risk on the table based on policies that they're saying right now, because they're very likely that they change. Crazy. I've been trading for 4 months already. Dude, Cole, you've been crushing it, man. Cole came out, started paper trading, started to trade some shares, dipped his foot into options. Green New Deal. Oh, geez. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, fair. SpyX. Isn't this the fossil fuels one? Or the not fossil fuels one? It looks... I mean, it looks basically the same. I mean, we're also, like, really close. Like, well, not really close. But we're, like, 5% away, I think, from all-time highs. That's not, like, probably not where the Fed wants to be. Like, or no, we're 2.73% away from all-time highs. Jeez. I thought it was 5. Plans to eliminate the Fed. Why do we even care about Project? Why is that even a thing? I'm pretty sure, though. I'm pretty sure that one of my buddies that worked in the White House, his boss was the guy that wrote that. I think it's the date right guy. You know, the guy who, like, sits there and eats food on TikTok? That was my buddy's boss at the White House. Oh yeah, Bostic and his trades, but it was more so conflict of interest. So I don't know if he traded off of insider info, but they're all doing it. SIG post earnings, interesting. What is that? Because I looked through. Yeah, I'm probably not touching these. I like to trade the post earning strategy on, like, stuff we know. I probably wouldn't do it on this. How's Kenny G, by the way? Nice, pretty good, man. Pretty good, Notorious. Then I think I have another buddy that might be working, and I don't know. It depends on who wins what in these different elections. I don't know, man. We'll see. They were like, we might need your help. I'm like, you don't want me. A lot of tickets in pre-market haven't set up yet. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, Roblox is interesting. I'd be interested in that if we trade into our zones. MDB, I'd be interested in. There's a few that I'm interested in. It wasn't one author. Oh, so then, yeah. Well, he definitely wrote some of it then. Or he's, like, at the Heritage something. I don't know. I don't know what it was. But I saw a clip, and I was like, that's interesting. Yeah, how's he doing? Richer. That's great. When Gulfstream? The real question is when Gulfstream. That's what we need to be asking ourselves. You guys saw I was on a jet this year. That was fun. Taking planes around. Zoom, zoom. All right. I feel like we're going to have some fun today. I feel like it's going to be a little goofy. Political jokes with Star count? Yeah, that guy. Not the other guy, though. There's 2 of them now. The original guy. Still holding eBay, looking interesting. Yeah, how is eBay looking? Wow, Judy. eBay, great move there. Wow. Yeah, that's a good one. Remember, eBay was one that I was looking for above this like 59.80 area, but it was breaking right at the end of the day going into CPI, so I didn't really want to touch this one. But Judy, congratulations. That is yet another one. Roblox looks like it wants to go. Yeah, it does. I'm gonna keep this chart up because like I don't have any alerts on this thing anymore, so we're gonna have to be careful with it. But yeah, Roblox does look very interesting here. I want to see what happens with team. ES obviously is going to be very interesting today. We don't have any new zones from any of the data, so we'll see. Then we need alert here. Then we need an alert here. Boom. Now we wait. Yeah, eBay was great. Again, guys, they're so simple. Like finding these stocks that are about to explode before they do. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. If you guys, I mean, there's only 2 days left to. Well, it's today and tomorrow for the public streams. So if you guys haven't hopped into the Discord community yet, make sure you guys do. Oh, and most importantly, if you guys think that you're following me on Twitter, you're probably not because deactivated my old Twitter account, started a new one. So there's that Twitter account there. Also, make sure that you guys have notifications on for that Twitter account. I've been posting a lot of macro stuff on there too recently, and I think you guys enjoy that. I mean, it's macro stuff. I'm tweeting out charts that are about to explode before they do too every once in a while on there. So yeah, make sure that you guys have those notifications on. Don't miss those. Baba. All right. What do we want here for today? Vive? What is Vive? Viva. I don't know if I'd take this one. I would have probably wanted to get in here, not up here. If it consolidates up in here, sure. I'm probably not going to be touching this one. Didn't mean to type that in all caps. Dude, you reminded me of, remember Wayne? Wayne just always all caps. Proud Swifty. I mean, I'm not. I don't really get the hype, man. But hey, to each their own. How about Netflix? If it flatlines from here, yes. Right now, I'm probably not interested in it. That'd be like a D- setup for me. Who did I give my crypto wallet info to? A scammer, probably. It's not me. But yeah, the new Twitter account, Short the Vix 2. We've been growing on there. We've been growing. I like it. Box is looking interesting. Yeah, Box. Okay, I got to put some alerts on this if I don't have it. Yeah, because this one was a really interesting. You nailed this post-earnings move. I just missed it. But we were talking about this one too. The 5-minute opening range break after earnings. Boom. That thing was nasty. But yeah, it is setting up again. So that'll be a fun one to watch. Where is Wayne? I don't know where Wayne is. Wayne hit the Tesla trade for 8,000%. That's insane. How many of those do you need a year to crush? Not one is what you need. Yeah, Wayne hit his 8,000% Tesla trade and dipped. Yeah, fair enough, man. Like, I hand out an 8,000% trade and you guys leave. That's fine with me. After that, like, my job's done. We're going to keep doing them. I love Roblox. Looks like it wants to go a little. Team, no trades yet. I want to see what happens with that. Wayne on vacation, dude. I mean, again, it's super simple, guys. I don't know another way to put it. He's retired. It's mind-boggling to me that more people don't trade like this. Because, like, it's so effective. It never stops working. It's worked since the beginning of the stock market. Like, it'll continue to work. The real question is, where is Mikey? He's probably waiting behind the Wendy's at the dumpster, you know? All right. What's on XAU USD? I don't know. Gold's breaking out. We called the gold move. GLD moving up there, man. I mean, I was looking to try and get long above. It was like 232. What was it? 232.70, 232.80. But now it's just gapping. So we've been talking about this gold chart a lot, that this thing was most likely to make a move to the upside. But it's just gapping again. And this is what we said about gold. Like, it's gonna move like crazy, and odds are we're probably not gonna get it just because it's gonna gap. So that's fine. He did diamond hands that trade. Pretty sure it wasn't a single. No, I'm pretty sure he really drilled that. Like, I think he was messaging me the other day. Yeah, hit 8,000% a dip. Yeah, fine with me, man. I mean, I hand out like an 8,000%. I hit Tesla for like I think 400%, and I just sold it. I was like, I'm done. But then you guys were like, oh, we're gonna keep degenning and holding it. This was where I gave you guys the Tesla. I'll show you here, right here. Boom. That was the 8,000% Tesla trade. So we do this a lot. It happens way more often than you guys think. But then you get the really good gems where it's just like the 400%, the 500% moves. So I want to see how team does today. That'll be an interesting. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. It's just frustrating. No, I have to. That's fine. Well, I'm gonna get another one. Trading view. Beep boop. All right, we're back. How much time we got? Oh, 4 minutes until market open, ladies and gentlemen. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. AMD swing setting up. Maybe. Yeah, same as NVIDIA. This thing's got a flat line from here, though. Less trades, more vacations. Dude, I don't think I've taken a vacation in ever. I don't think I do that. It's just not something we do. But yeah, I'll throw the link in here one last time for you guys. Again, 2 weeks free to the community. You guys get access to everything. I mean, this is the best place to come if you guys want to learn how to make money in the market long term. Understanding macro, just got like information is the only edge that matters. It really is. So, or you can keep doing what you're doing and lose money. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. Movies? Which movie? Which movie? I'm trying to think. What movie are you talking about? All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Roblox might be like 5-minute opening range. So that might be what we have to look for on this thing. Good Will Hunting. I love that movie. I didn't see when you guys were talking about that movie, but yeah, Good Will Hunting is like one of my favorite movies ever. All right. What do we? And I want MDB on here too. MDB is looking spicy. The chain on it's pretty icky. The chain on MDB is not great, so we'll keep an eye on it though. Market's not really doing anything. We got a minute and a half. Swing Kings golf outing. Dude, we could do that. All right. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, ladies and gentlemen. This could be another very, very interesting day. You never sold Roblox. You held it. Well, yeah, I mean, it technically never, or it did take out that day low, but if you still have it, you're going to be looking pretty good, I think, at open. So let's see what happens with it. How much time we got left? 50 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen, in Boston. There's like I haven't golfed around here. I also don't have my clubs here. eBay gapped up already. Well, yeah, I know. I mean, this is one that I gave you guys earlier this week. If you guys already have that, I know Judy already has it. That's perfect. eBay's a great one. So you guys are going to be able to probably make some money on that. Let's see. Where is eBay right now? It's not gapping, really. I mean, that's a great move, though. Yield's coming up. I kind of like that. Market coming down a little bit here. Open and flat. This will be interesting. Oh, he had to go see about a girl. Oh, that makes sense. I just found you 5 minutes ago. Oh, nice. Yeah, I mean, we yeah, I gave that to everybody earlier this week. A lot of alerts firing. Melly. All right, let's see. Oh, eBay. That's a gem, man. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Judy, congratulations. There you go. All right, Roblox. All right, we're probably going to look for the 5-minute opening range break on Roblox. That's probably what we're going to have to look for. Market rolling over a little bit here. Yeah, the gold gap up's nuts. We were talking about the gold move. We couldn't get it. Like, we would have had to front run it and hope because that gap honestly could have gone either way. Uh, eBay trade, another gem. Oh, hold on. What is that? This one right here. Ah, no. That's from this consolidation area. But eBay's pumping. There we go. There we go, man. Yeah, I don't have it, but I mean that's a good one. Team not doing anything yet, so we'll see. Uh Nothing for potential day trade setups on the market yet, unless we trade into one of these zones. MDB, I would be interested if it started to brick. Roblox is starting to go there a little. I mean, what is it? A-Rock's got it? Yeah, those are probably up a decent amount there. Nothing crazy, but those are probably looking all right. Melly, Melly's breaking? Melly, I want above. Melly is kind of breaking. Lows. Hold on. No. I'm not touching that yet. Hold on. I don't want to go willy-nilly crazy. Remember, we've already had an epic week. We don't really have to do that much else. I just want to check the Melly chain. I think it's going to be just the worst ever. So we'll see, but yeah, this chain is awful. Don't think we're going to be doing anything with that. Roblox is going there. Yeah, Roblox going. You're welcome. It's coming back down, but let's see. If we end up how does this look on the daily? I might miss this. It's very possible that I miss this one. I mean, the 1-minute opening range definitely hit for you there. Right here. 45.20. MDB, I would like if it broke above here. Reddit's moving. Why do I have alerts on Reddit? Oh! The risk. Yeah, Reddit. I just saw that. Yeah, I actually like. Hold on. I do like Reddit here, actually. This is going to be small. Really small, though. Remember, it's still really early. Melly broke. Team just ripped. There we go. Look. There we go. All right, Roblox back down. I like that. How's Reddit looking? The spreads are pretty icky right now on this. DJT sub 16. Yeah. All right. Again, I'm going to wait for these first 5-minute candles to close here. I like how team's moving, though. Okay. I mean, I don't. These are saying that they're up. They're spready. That's why. Yeah. Reddit came back down. This is looking good. If this thing can push, I mean, I really want to see, like, 168.34 today. That's ideal. What I would want to see. What's the market doing? Market's not having that much fun here. Roblox screwing around. MDB is close. That's probably the one that I'll look for because Reddit just flashed. Like that didn't really do anything there. Tesla's ripping. Tesla, I'll let you know when Tesla's about to go. I mean, I could miss it, but I really don't think I will. Like Tesla, oh yes. Dude, give this a couple more days. I'm going to be all over this. I love that. Yeah, ES losing a little steam here. Watch this area, 55, 54, 75. We could easily see it come back down, trade down there. I didn't grab anything on Reddit. I was waiting for the 5-minute candle to close, and then nothing. It just died. So here, though, I don't hate that. And the spreads were really bad. I'd be interested in it, but it's just the spreads are kind of icky. They might be better now. Nope. All right. MDB's close. If that breaks, where would I go? 322? If it breaks. I mean, how do these look? Dude, these chains are awful. Go, eBay, go! Jackie, you in that one too? Oh! There you go. You just got 80% profit on eBay. Thanks for the call out. I didn't tell you to do that. That didn't follow the strategy. We gave everybody eBay down in here, 59.80. That was all you, Grayson. You got a little lucky, but congratulations. So there you go. That's pretty good. Reddit's back now. Yeah, the chain is pretty bad. You know, like I'd be interested in it. Maybe something really small. Like just try and get a fill and like spray and pray it, kind of. Like I'd be fine with that. Oh, that's pumping now. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that. Don't think I'm gonna get that. It's moving though. It's moving. I won't be able to get filled on the chain. I don't think Roblox is starting to move. MDB is not going anywhere. Yeah, that was a little lucky. Yeah, it is going. I just like I tried to get filled just now and I couldn't. I got to make sure I canceled that. Hold on. Yeah, I did. See, I kind of want Roblox. It's going to be tough. It'd be a gamble. You're in Reddit on shares? Nice. You're printing on Oracle? Yeah, the Oracle move that I gave you guys this week was dirt. Oh, if anybody held the options there, it was the 160 strikes from down in here at 155. Those are dirty. Yeah, this was another one from earlier this week that we covered on the post earnings move. That was disgusting. Guys, again, after tomorrow, the public streams are going to be no more. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of the 2 weeks free to the Discord community. You get all the courses, all the watch lists of stocks that are about to explode before they do, all the pre-market plans. What else? The community is just finding tickers left and right. You get the webinars, the macro research reports, the single stock research reports. There is so much in there for you guys. You held them. There you go, buddy. Yeah, those are good. Team not really doing anything here. We'll see if that wants to get spicy a little later today. MDB, I'm still watching on that thing. Reddit. The chain is, I don't want to get slapped on the chain, you know? Yeah, like they're going to try and steal from us. Team back up. DraftKings let you down. Well, remember, I wasn't really I didn't really want this one. This was not a perfect setup. This is why I wasn't in it. I mean, you had a good move yesterday, but we'll see. That thing could continue to shift back up there. You never know. Roblox back down at 45. What's the market doing? Nothing. Your average cost is 62 cents. They're worth 290 right now. What is that? Like 400%? Something like that? That's amazing, man. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, that post earning strategy is nasty. I flipped it for like 100 something percent. Reddit looks decent there. MDB's not getting going yet. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. All right, Microsoft's starting to set up here a little bit for the next couple of days. Nvidia, how's that looking? AMD. SMCI is getting close. Needs to get above the 10 and start consolidating here in order for me to get interested. Walmart. Not bad. Stop loss at 255. Yeah, dude, you've crushed it. Let that thing cook. You got to stop at 255. You bought it at 62. They're at 290 or whatever. Dude, you killed that one. Dell looking good. Nah, this would need to consolidate a little bit more for me in here to get interested. Team back down. There goes Reddit. Yeah, Reddit's a good one. What else? Oracle was like 100% in 2 minutes. Good enough for you? Yeah, that Oracle trade was filthy. Yeah, I don't really like Dell. Market moving down here. Let's see. It's pushing. Oh, where's UPS? UPS has kind of got a setup within a setup here. I still really like this. Reddit really pumping now. There you go. Yeah, anybody that was able to grab the Reddit's good for you. Alfie, I mean, on the shares, that's perfect. Even if you entered here, stop below here, you're already sitting at like a really nice risk to reward on that thing. Dude, MDB just like hasn't traded today. It's done absolutely nothing. The volume's 28,000. It's done a grand total of 0. Let's see. Where's Kava? Kava could give us something if it flatlines in here. Seasonal play. Yeah, DraftKings, I mean, that was a tough one. It's not like the setup just wasn't fully there for me to want to touch it. What are yields coming back up? All right, market knife in there a little bit. Very quiet today. Like, it's very quiet. Like, the market really, especially after yesterday, what we saw, hasn't really done anything. Like, yeah, you're down what, 3 points? 0.05%? That's nothing. Yeah, very tight range. Yeah, we're about to get a new 15-minute candle in here coming in a minute. Reddit, great move there. How's that eBay still looking? Is that still looking good? Yeah, dude, that's perfect. You guys, again, you guys can make that free. Do whatever you got to do on the eBay. That's a nasty one. Ultra, no. If you already took the courses, the what do you call it? The details, how to get in for free have been emailed to you, and they're on the private Twitter account. Everybody else though does have to pay. But it's so cheap, man, for like what's in there. You think you're gonna get that professional level research anywhere else, or all of the lists of stocks, forex, and cryptos that are about to explode before they do, or all the education, or all the single stock research reports, or like no. I should charge a lot more, but I don't. I'm nice to everybody, and I gave everybody that had access to the courses that for free. Too nice to everybody. Yeah, team coming down a little. Oh yeah, where's Lyft? Dude, eBay is a ripper. There you go. Where is Lyft? No, it didn't do it. Kava though, I am kind of interested in it. Like a little bit. Nothing. It just seems like a slow grind up though. That's the issue I have with it. BZH. That I like. Home builders. I like that. That's a good one. Is Reddit still going? Dude, that looks really good. This thing's had no volume on it today either. What was the volume yesterday? eBay just continuously making new highs. There you go. Yeah, that was a really good one we called on Tuesday. I see if you can get like 2 more days out of Kava here, just flatlining right here, I'd be interested. Market's just slowly grinding down here. Nothing crazy. I mean, the volume I would assume is a little low. Ah, there it goes. There it goes a little. You just broke out of the 5-minute opening range. You got to get entry when it came back down. Yeah. Continue. No, you guys are good. Winmore, you're good. If you're already in the Discord, you're good. Market dying. Not really. You're down 11 points, 0.2% so far. All right, team. I think I'm going to have to cut this one. That thing's being annoying. Oops. I mean, I could keep holding it. Is gold still pumping? Nah. Not really. MDB wants to give us a better entry. Dude, MDB just doesn't want to break. We lose 165 on team. That's when I'll start to try and get out of it. How about that? All right. Where's eBay's? eBay's still going? Dude, eBay's on a ripper. Kramer said he wouldn't own Exxon last buy. I said this last night. I was like, I kind of want a long oil. I kind of want to long oil. What are the oil tickers looking like? That's actually not bad. I mean, you literally just came down to this level, wicked it, and are starting to move back up. I do not hate that. Would I trade it here? No. But that's interesting. KRE in knife mode? You still have... Oh, yeah. Banks losing it again. Where's like JPM and all those? Yeah, JP Morgan coming down. Goldman, I would assume, is coming down as well. Yep. It is, but I don't know. I don't think so. Like, I don't think oil is off the US. Like, I don't think it would move with Japan and the yen. I think if we really want to trade USD JPY, you got to almost either short 6J or just throw a couple thousand into a Forex account and then I would just full port it and just be like, all right, let's see what happens. Because like the USD JPY prior move that I was calling out was like a 1 to 30 or something. It was ridiculous. Let's see. Team back up. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this one for a little bit. If we take out once was it 65, I'll cut it. But other than that, I'm gonna leave that there. I like that setup. I really do. Market not having any fun here. Hello. Kava, I like this setup going into guys. I'm telling you, there are a lot of really good setups going into next week. Like Tesla right now, I bet it's like coming down a little. Dude, Tesla's starting to look good. Microsoft over here. Where's Amazon? Because Amazon started to, yeah, that was a tough one. I mean, we could have taken it above here. I just really wasn't ready to touch it yet. It was not ready. Oh, the historic moves. Okay, yeah, but also you could trade bonds with it too, because we used to we used to line up what was it USD JPY in the 10-year, and it was spot on. All right, let's see, team. What do you got for us? I mean, the price is well higher than where I was buying these, but the contracts are down a little bit. Yeah, so you did end up taking out that low that we were talking about, that pre-market low right here. Or was after hours low. MDB, nope, not yet. Kava, again, that's going to be one that we watch. Again, less trades, more profits, team. That's what you guys got to think about. I'm not going to sit here and just like scalp everything every single day. It's not how it works. Roblox holding well. Yeah. Yeah, it is. So yeah, they all move together. So yeah, Roblox is holding well here. I do really like this MDB. I really want to see how UPS moves because this reminds me of the Nike trade. You guys remember the 390% Nike? This one up in here, buy it at 75.40, runs all the way up for us to like 82. That was a really good one. Disney, I want to check in and see how that's doing. I mean, that's a decent daily candle yesterday, but that's kind of how a lot of candles looked across the board with the overall market action. Roblox moving back to the upside there. I'll throw an alert at day high, just kind of root for this one for you guys there. There goes Reddit. Yeah, that was a good one. That was wow, dude. See, this is my frustration sometimes with these stocks is like they look really good. I'm ready to trade them. And like I can't get filled on the option chain. I just like, what are we doing? The spread was like 50 to 90. That's like what? 80% spreads? No, that's ridiculous. I'm not like I wouldn't have touched that. Kava just broke. But I'm not touching it, I don't think. Kava's a wild child and it scares me. So not touching that yet. Yeah, but Reddit pumping. There you go, Alfie. That's anybody else that did get filled on the Reddit. Good for you. I had an order out there. I tried to get it and I just couldn't get that one. But that's another gem again. Finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. Once that alert hits, it's time. 9% off of Reddit. Not even a half an hour yet. Great work, Alfie. Yeah, what do you have? The leverage on it? Yeah, that's a great one too. Team's starting to move back up here. Again, I really want to see this thing right around 168.34 today. I'd love to see that. Market moving back up a little bit here. Wow, Reddit really is going there. That's nice. And then eBay, I want to check back in on that for you guys. Oh my Lord. 6160. Guys, what a week. I mean, if you guys had traded what was the first one we did? It was Walmart, Oracle, and then not a whole lot else. But then there's been like the Reddit, the eBay. There's been a couple of other gems as well. Those of you guys that hit all of them, good for you. Congratulations. It's been a really, really great. I've seen messages from some of you guys in the Discord that are up like, I'm up 21% this week. Like Ryan is up how much this month? 30 something, 37% in the last month. That's insane. Yeah, where's Roblox? How's that looking? It's moving up there. It is moving up there. Oh, MNST. That was the other one. Monster. Yeah, this one. Boom. That was an epic trade. W week. Yeah, we killed it, man. Yeah, Roblox coming back to day high there. And again, guys, I'm not going to be able to take all of them. NEE still a ripper. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. That is very interesting. Like, yeah, like it's not like I'm not going to be able to trade all of them, but those of you guys that are able to nail them, like Alfie in this situation right here, Dustin, we know you're down year to date. We know this from yesterday. I remember. We're gonna get. I don't know if I give another like Tesla, Affirm, something like that, you might be able to, but it's gonna take a while for you to dig out of that hole. But now you're in the right place, man. Your standard leverage is 5x. You had a really tight stop on it though. Did you go day low? Because if you went day low, you're already at like a 1 to 3. Thoughts on ASTS? You take a look. No, I don't like this. Here, I would have really been interested in this thing on this break, but that's an earnings move. So post-earnings trade on that one could have been fun, but no, not for me. Team starting to move back up. I like that. Reddit came down. Roblox, not looking bad. I want Team to have another really good day like it did yesterday. Robloxes are at 20%. It's a good start. It's a good start. Yeah, Dustin, now that you've hopped in with us, though, I mean, you're in the right place. The 15-minute opening range fibs are awesome. Yeah, great. Yeah, Grayson, I don't really like ASTS. It like if it sets up, sure, but other than that, I'm not gonna touch it. And I'm very picky. And sometimes there are gonna be like over the last few, really over the last month, I bet a lot of you guys were frustrated with how picky I was. Like there are just days where I'm not doing anything. But that is how you have success long term. You're able to make sure that you're not putting yourself at risk when the market does it. When the market is telling you don't do anything. And then you're able to just come in and nail trades once the market starts to heat up. And then we day trade and scalp in the meantime. I might trade a lot more SPX too, just for fun. I've been playing around with it. It's a good time, especially off of the zones. Like I'll trade them with futures and then scalp it a little with SPX. But that is really risky, like really risky. It either hits or you're getting stopped really quick. But you can hit some really big ones. You guys have seen some of my crazy SPX trades, like the 500, 600, 700%ers. Those are good, but it's rare. Like I don't do it all the time. Sometimes the best thing to do, and this is going to help a lot of you guys out as well, especially for those of you guys that like have 9-to-5 jobs that are a little bit more casual, not looking at the market all the time is actually going to be more beneficial to a lot of you guys. Because what you could then do is, and this happens a lot with day trading. It happens less with swing trading because there's going to be like, since the time frames are larger, there's less setups. But what happens is that once you see something work really well, you try and find opportunities in the market when they're just not there. So you end up going from, only taking like the A+ setups to like, now you're starting to take C+ setups because you want it to be an A+ setup, but it's not. So when you're looking at the market almost a little bit more casually, which is a lot of you guys, I think, you can then come in and be like, all right, now we nail it. And then it's like, okay, but you have to make sure though. And I mentioned this in the Swing Kings course where it's like, there are going to be time periods where you make more money than you think is possible in a short time frame, but you can't think that that's going to be every single day. That's not how it works. It's not how it's supposed to work. It's just money. That's all though. Yeah, I know I'm having a little luck scalping this week, bringing your account back up on your own, but it's nice knowing it's looking like you're not going to get ahead of yourself. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. I mean, you see Roblox new day high, and you guys see it all the time here too. Like you Roblox, Reddit still looking pretty good here. The eBay trade, the MNST, the Walmart, like there's a lot that like starts to fire off. So if you miss one too, don't feel bad because there's gonna be a lot more. Like I missed the Reddit, I missed the eBay. Do I care? No, I'm still having a really good week, and you guys are all printing too. Nailed the MNST though. That was a really good one. That was a very fun one. So yeah, those of you guys, again, that the 2 weeks free to the Discord is gonna end at the end of the month. So that's not gonna be offered anymore, and it's gonna be waitlist only. So if you guys want to hop in, make sure that you guys secure your spot. Now's the time. Yeah, Roblox broke a little bit there. I mean, I could have held it yesterday, but this is still a really good setup. So I want to see team kind of shoot up above these highs here and start to get going a little bit, which it can. 167 was some decent resistance yesterday too. I mean, again, you came up to 167.30. You did it again today, 167.34. You really got to get above those levels for this thing to keep going. But I don't think a lot of people are in this. Svet was talking about this in the general chat yesterday, and I was like, I like that setup. So I took a little bit of it. And they're probably like flat or a little green right now. Yeah, they're slightly red. So we'll see. eBay, I mean, you guys are probably have made these well free by now. Roblox is probably going to start to get into that area, especially if it pushes up to like 45.75 here. All right, let's see. 30% on NVIDIA. What are you doing on NVIDIA? Yeah, NVIDIA here, I'm just going to wait for it to come down, consolidate, retest on the 10. That's where the big setup is going to be. I am Svet. Oh, what's up, Brian? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, I'm in it. I like it. We'll see what happens. You find WAP offensive? You have too many Italian friends? I'm Italian. Why is WAP offensive? Am I supposed to be offended by this? Wait, I have something that I can be offended on? No. Really? No way. Dude, I'm going to use this so much now? What is it? Hold on. Explain this to me. Why am I now, I have now something that I can use as like my token offense? No. Really? This is the best day ever. No, I'm just kidding. So you're rolling with it? Oh, that's fine. Oh, it's racist towards me. Nice. What does it mean, though? Without papers? Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, but wouldn't that be WOP? So it's not WHOP. So now I can't get offended by it. Team down slightly, like the setup. You're still holding, got your stops. Nice. And then eBay, you're up 50%. Nice. Yeah, I'm in the team. We'll see what happens to it. I wanted to get up to that 168 area today. It might not. It might. I don't know. But yeah, eBay's a really good one. Yeah, you guys are lying to me over here. Why is Petco up 13%? I think it's earnings. I think they had some earnings. What is it? Woof. Woof. Why didn't we see this one? I mean, I probably wouldn't have traded this, but that's still pretty nasty. Oh, Roaring Kitty post? Guys, parabolic short. Guys, we might be able to get a parabolic short on this. Oh, this would be so much fun. Dude, Roaring Kitty. All right, here's what we do. Everybody, here's the game plan. I told you we were going to get goofy today. Every ticker that Roaring Kitty tweets, don't trade it. Wait for it to give us a parabolic short setup, and we are going to drill it. Roaring Kitty is going to be our parabolic short generator. This is going to be great. You guys remember on GME the last time he did it, and this little parabolic short here below 60? We're going to do the same thing again. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Roaring Kitty, for handing us free money where we can short when everybody else is trying to long it. I love this. This is going to be fun. All right. So we're going to keep a lookout for Woof over the next couple of days there. If it sees a pretty significant gap up, at any point after this, how big is this move so far? All right, needs more. We need this thing to trade up a little bit more, probably like another 50%. If it comes up into here in the 6 range, the higher it goes, the better the trade could be. This idea has merit. No, I know I'm joking right now, but like I'm dead serious. I will do this. You can do it on like the nonsense like penny stocks too, but with these bigger tickers, oh, it's so much better. Like the GME one, where is it? That was insane. It's a 1 to 7. Technically, you actually would have ridden it down to here as well. So it's a 1 to 8. This thing is dirty. Wow, look at us shills all grown up now. Dude, I'm actually really, you don't see his tweet? Are they lying to us? Where did he post it? Oh, it may have gotten to, but he reposted a Reddit post that said, Woof is going bananas. Who's here with me? Okay, fair. So he reposted it. Wait, what do you mean? I got to do a video for you guys on the parabolic shorts. We've talked about it with GME. Like, all right, so here's effectively how it works. When you see a stock that starts going parabolic like GME does, and you see a massive gap up, like how much did this thing move from here? Let's say to the highs? 270%. So when a stock moves up very significantly like that, what you do is after one of those big gap ups, you look for a 5-minute opening range break. So let's just do this. This makes it easier for everybody. So this is coming into market open here on GME. We'll throw it on the 5-minute, make it easier. Boom. All right. You now have your 5-minute opening range right here. Once it breaks, you're in. Boom. Stops above the high. And this is, we were trying to get, I was trying to get the puts on this on stream. The option chain though was moving too crazy for me to do it. So you can just short it right here and just bing, 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 bing. See? So it's on the 15-minute. Oh, look. Ooh, almost stops you out there, but doesn't. And oh, team dropped there. That's no fun. Oh, the market, I think, just got killed. Hold on. Or no, it didn't. What's going on? Team, hey, get your butt back up there. But that's the parabolic short setup. It's like self-explanatory. You wait for a stock to go parabolic, big gap up, trade the 5-minute opening range break to the downside. You can short it, you can get options, and then you nail it. Easy money. So, team drop there. That's no fun. We'll see. If the market turns around here at all, I mean, on the 15-minute, you've literally just had straight red the entire day so far. So maybe Euro close will give us something different. I know the ECB cut rates by about 25 basis points today. So after Europe's done screwing around at 11:30, we can see nice work, Alfie. Sorry. Alfie's from the UK. You guys are ruining all the fun. So eBay still looks good. Where's that Roblox? How's that looking? Back down. Let's see. GWW on the weekly. This just, I mean, we could just map this out here. It basically looks like this. That's nice little one. I mean, it hit your 1 to 3 if you traded the shares on it. GWW on the weekly. That looks interesting. That does not look bad. Yeah, exactly, Ralph. All right, what are yields doing? Yields coming back up. Where's USD JPY? Probably up. That's interesting. Where's the dollar? And then where's gold? I want to take a look at gold again. Dollar looks like it's about to rip. Gold ripping. Reverse splits are 99% of the time bearish. It's like it's very difficult for anybody to ever make an argument that a reverse split is bullish. Splits are most of the time bullish. Reverse splits are bad because a lot of the time, the reason why the company is reverse splitting is because they're trying to maintain their listing requirements on like the Nasdaq or New York Stock Exchange. It was all you. So yeah, like it means basically that at the current amount of like float that they have or shares outstanding, they don't have the market cap, and the company doesn't have enough value as dictated by the market to maintain their listing. So they're like, oh, we just reverse split it, make less shares, have the price go up. So it's literally like it doesn't change any of the value. It just says, oh, now the price is higher, so we can maintain our listing status, even though the market hates us. Roblox back up. Great way to dilute shares. Yep. I don't know. I still like Team. I'd love for this thing to just rip, but it's going to need some help from the market here. What's this high? That's the PPI high. We can't do that. We can't do that. Oh yeah. Also, guys, My Funded Futures is still having that that deal for you guys for first time customers for them. If you guys need some more funded accounts, here you guys go. It's 40% off. I think the code is SEP40. So yeah, you guys go sign up or use code VIX. You guys can get some discounts there as well. But yeah, I mean, My Funded Futures, I think, is now the best futures prop firm. So you guys need some more funded accounts? There you go. Weird day today. Option killer so far. Meh. I mean, think about what everybody has right now that's been following along. Roblox, eBay, ripping still. Team starting to come back. Need that above the highs, though. Yeah, it is big green. I'd love see Team is just not getting it, and that's kind of what's not frustrating, but I'm like, come on, guys. I might cut it. I might not. I don't know. We'll see. I like it. But I don't want to sit here for like if the market wants to roll over and then just let that thing just gets hit. So we'll see. We'll see. The Roblox looks good. eBay. Oh, I thought that was new highs. 61.73 is new highs on eBay. Too bad they can't all be Oracle or Monster. Hey, man, that's why we're in the game for those types of trades there. Monster was great. Oracle was great. Walmart was great. It's been a real good week. You just cut Team. Should have gone by now. That's kind of what I'm thinking on it, but we'll see. I'll probably use like, I don't know. Well, 165 is kind of my area where I'm like, I'll ditch it, but yeah, it really should be going. Especially with the market doing this. Yeah, I probably should ditch it. I don't want to. Yesterday, one MNQ from the bottom would have been $1,000. Yeah. It's coming up. I don't know. I'm going to leave this be for a little bit. Like, it's done nothing today. Look at this on the 5 minute. It's done absolutely zero. Sitting there doing nothing. eBay is about to make a new high. There you go. There it is. New highs on eBay. Congratulations. Dude, if this market keeps pumping and Team doesn't go, I'm going to just cut it. Little paper cut. We'll be down like 10. The contracts will be down like, I don't know, 10, 15%. That's fine, though. Because we're nailing multi-100%er. All right, new 15-minute candle here. Let's see. Yeah, the video tonight, too, is going to be nuts. So make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel. We've got an interesting one for you guys tonight. Is there anything on Twitter? No. Gold all-time highs. Wouldn't that be another zone on ES that just formed? It's not big enough. And this is only on the 15-minute. Like, you look at it on the hourly, like, that's nothing's happening here. Nothing's happening here as well. I wouldn't say that's a zone. Because, like, even here, it's just, like, even when you go down to the smallest time frame that we look at, it's not going to get... These two are the big ones that I'm looking for. eBay pumping and team just cannot do it. Oh, that's annoying. It's just slightly green, flat. eBay really going there. So, again, congratulations to everybody on the eBay. That's been a disgusting trade. What are those up? Who has the eBays? What are they up? I know Judy had them. I think somebody else had them. eBays are free. Kevin, there you go, my man. There you go. Needs to be bigger. Yeah. Bigger moves. OCUL? No, I don't like this. Here, I would have traded it. Again, I don't know why you were trading it last week. Oh, did you just try and play the gap up here? That would make sense on Friday. Or that was a couple weeks ago. Yeah, I wouldn't have touched it anywhere down in here. Melly just keeps running. Yeah, the chain on that thing was terrible. Whoa! There's another one. Yeah, Grayson's up 150% this morning. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I mean, Melly, that was another one from this morning as well. You can play the options on it. It makes more sense to trade the shares because the implied volatility, remember, on those is going to be through the roof. So you'd rather trade the shares on that one if you can short them. But yeah, Melly, great move there. That was one from the pre-market plan as well. Dude, these pre-market plans are insane. Here comes team. Come on. Do something. Go break above 167 and give us money. Like GME, you could have done it on and still made some significant money, but that really tanked. Melly's a share position for you, but nice. There you go. Yeah, that's another good one. Guys, these eBay still going. Look at this thing go. They don't call me the swing king for no reason, ladies and gentlemen. Like, look at this. Lyft trying to come back up. Man. I'm not really a fan of it now. Here comes the market. You take out these pre-market highs. That's a big move, but it could do it. Palantir holding above 35. Dude, I'm up well over 100% on those shares now. That's insane. 100% on eBay. Kevin, congratulations, buddy. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, tomorrow's the last day for these public streams, too. Pay attention to pay a premium. Dude, eBay, look at that. Roblox breaking up. Is it now? It already did, I think. Yeah, you kind of already did. I mean, I'd be interested in it. I don't want to chase it, you know? 99% on the eBay longer dated September 27th contracts. Jackie, great work. Great work, guys. It's been a great week. So shout out to all you guys that have been in there with us, taking the education. applying it to your trading. There's 2 more. I mean, actually, where's Box? Box is close. I'd actually be interested in that. Team, I hate you. I hate you so much. Just go up with the market, dude. What are you doing? I hate you. It's making me want to cut it. But watch, right as I cut it, it's going to just skyrocket. Oh, 15-minute orb. Yeah. The team is just frustrating today. It's got a nice little, you know. Bloop, bloop. Gonna sign up for the 2-week free trial. Some guidance to the market would be awesome. Grayson, welcome, buddy. Yeah, it's gonna give you a lot of info there. You're coming to the right place. There's so much nonsense out there with people with like the IQ of a 4-year-old trying to talk about markets, and everybody fails. Like, but yeah, I'll throw that link in here for you guys again. I'm gonna lose my mind on team. Yeah, here you guys go. That's the link to the 2-week free. Tell me when you cut teams so you can get in. Dude, it's pissing me off. There's also no volume. It's just like, this is just terrible action. So that means there's going to be even less volume on the option chain, which is going to make it really annoying. Team. What are we going to do with you? eBay. There you go. I'm going to hold it. Screw it. It's been a great week. Let it rip. We're not even at Euro close yet. So they just kind of already reversed this. Yeah, Grayson, you got to go through all the courses too, but they're easy to find. They're just in the course section of it. Why do we have GME on here? What are we, nuts? Roblox. Awesome, can't wait. We love to have you, Grayson. Here she goes. Oh my God, it's a fair value gap. Sorry, I had to. Oh my God, the one algorithm that runs the market, isn't it? Sorry, I had to. VRNA. Yeah, that was another good one. I think we talked about this, didn't we? NUVL is one we talked about as well. What's that doing? Yeah, that one didn't work. Team. What are we going to do with you? Sorry, I had to. It was right. The algos are taking over. Dude, it's so funny. These people are like, no. There's one algorithm. It runs the market, and the Fed is buying stocks. Oh, yeah, brilliant. Genius IQ there. So smart. Market fading a little. True on watch. Yep. I mean, there's a lot of other really good opportunity out there. I don't know if I'd go for something like this. You know, like if we can trade things like an eBay or a Netflix or a Microsoft or like Tesla, which is getting really close to getting me interested here. Dude, as soon as I click on it, it just drops. Check out Unity. Yeah, I can take a look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I like that. Yeah, U looks interesting there. BLK. BlackRock. Yeah. That's an interesting one. What are you doing? I literally see it at like this 60 something, and then it just wicks down when I click on it. I think that's telling me that I just should cut it and just be done with it. It doesn't like me. The team doesn't like me here. I think yesterday 5,500 seemed unlikely. Now it's well above 5,600. Oh yeah, this market's nuts. DG took off as well. Dollar General, really? No. This is garbage. Garbage. I was gonna say, no way. I mean, it's up, but it's not going anywhere near those. Yeah, I posted a little, like, I tweeted about DLTR and Dollar Tree a little while ago. Just talking about them. Like, it was on the earnings day where it's like, it's not like, I forget what it was, but what was it? It was a long time ago. Is it this? No. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it is, but ooh, was it this? Nope. No. Oh, was nope. I don't know where it is. It's on there somewhere. There's no STV in team. No, there is right now. There definitely is right now. It's not a big position. Like, I'm not. This is not. The market's not giving me the sign to like really size up yet, but it's getting the team. All right, let's see what happens. Market coming back up. CHKP. It's not bad, not perfect though. Dash Weekly, I actually would be interested in. I looked at Dash. Yeah, that does look really good up to these highs. 143. That looks very interesting up to those highs there. Not yet. Don't touch it yet. I mean, it's got a break 131.19, but yeah. Woof up 22%, dude. Keep that thing going. I will short the crap out of it if it does the parabolic short move. That will just be free money. Oh, we also had the. I mean, I told you guys I was doing this. I don't know if anybody else did it, but the Mara puts, when I shorted the puts, those were great. I think I closed out of those, I think, at 90% gains on the premium I collected. That was phenomenal. So we'll see. Watch. I'm going to click team right now, and it's going to drop. Ready? Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. It still looks good. I mean, this setup here, the way that it looks, does look pretty interesting. So we'll see. I'll throw this alert at the day high. Keep that there for now. See what happens. eBay still looking good. I mean, you guys drilled that one. Roblox still looking all right. Wolf puts? No. It depends. For where Wolf to get to, I don't know. It could go. It's whenever it really starts to ramp up. So if Wolf has a couple of days here where it like runs up and then the next day it gaps aggressively, that's when I'm gonna start looking at it. I don't know where that's gonna be yet. It could be 6, it could be 10, it could be 12. I don't know. I'm just waiting for it to show those signs. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 10:30. That is going to wrap up our stream for today. Another great day, ladies and gentlemen. So, everybody, remember, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of the 2 weeks free to the Discord community. It is the best community that is out on the internet for trading, long-term investing, finance, macro research, everything. So again, I'll see you guys in there. I'll be hanging out with you guys today a little bit, just going back and forth. We find any tickers. Oh, team popped up a little bit there. That's nice. So yeah, I mean, you guys know what you get. If you guys have any questions, just DM me on Instagram or Twitter or something about it. So everybody, I will see you guys tomorrow for the last public stream that we're doing. But other than that, guys, have a great rest of your day. Very, very, very solid week so far.